Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to assemble this baby swing from Graco. Here are all the parts for the swing. This is the mobile, which we'll attach later. I'll set this aside. Okay, let's start first with the base. I'll move this aside. And these are the parts of the base. Okay, you get this part, then you insert it here. Ito yan, papasok na dun yung pag yan. Yun. And you insert this here. You cannot exchange the two. So how would you know that this is the correct thing for this one? You're gonna see this blue button on the side that goes towards the outside. So again, in this case, this blue button is pointing outward and this blue button is pointing outward. If you interchange the two, it will not insert here and it will not lock. Okay, you'll know it's locked because there's a button here that's protruding, which will prevent you from pulling this out. I'll set aside this part first. Then we're gonna attach these here, but you would need a screwdriver. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is to remove this screw like this. It's just a regular Phillips screw head. Okay, so naalis na yan. Actually, don't have to remove it pala. Put it back. Then you insert this one. This part has a hole. Insert it here. And you align that hole to the hole on this one. Okay, okay, be careful not to lose this nut. Ayan. The holes are aligned now. I can push in this screw into there. And put the nut there. And I can screw it back in. Okay, don't tighten it too much. Then you do the same for the other side. Okay, this is the screw. Okay, I'll see if I can do it on cam. Okay, there's the hole. Here, there's a hole here. I'm gonna align all of those holes when I insert it here. Ang galing, aligned agad. Ayan, pasok ko dyan. Okay, then I attach this here. Screw it here. Okay, almost tight. A little more. I'm gonna attach the front and the back together. Okay, these are the two parts we've assembled so far. Yan, just push this in place until that blue button comes out of the hole. And do the same for the other side. Okay, so your base is now assembled. Okay, it will go this way. Yan, so you can visualize. So this thing with that nub I hope you can see it. Goes here like that. Okay, there's a hole again. You just line up that knob to that hole to lock it in place. So that's how it looks like. And do the same for the other side. Okay, it's now locked in place. This is the right side. You're gonna attach this to here, okay? Turn it around. I'm gonna slide it down. Okay, until here it snap in place. Then do the same for the other side. Okay, so most of it is done. You can attach the seat cover. Okay, this is easy. Just slide the belts through. Slide them to the slots. Okay. Sa gitna pala yung slot. Then okay, there are hooks on the side. I won't attach them anymore, but please do it when you're setting up at home. Then this mobile attachment goes here. Okay. As you can see, there's a hole here. You line it up with the hole there and just snap this in place. Yan. And you turn it around. Then you just pop this in place. Okay. May headrest pa if you want. Just slot this belt in place in case you want to use the headrest. Then this is the battery compartment. Just open it with the screwdriver. And it accommodates 4D batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4D batteries. To turn on the swing, you just turn this knob, and it has different intensity settings. At first it will start slow, but it will slowly gain speed. And it even has some music. You can have music, or you can have sounds from nature. Okay, I'll turn it off. You can have music, or you can have sounds from nature. Okay, I'll turn it off. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.